$35.99 worth of plugin is currently available for free. But this offer ends soon and it wasn't clearly stated for how long it is going to last. So make sure to smash that like button now and I will show you how to grab HComp by Waves for free before it is gone. And you're watching free plugins for music production that you may like. Today I will be breaking down HComp, the hybrid compressor that has dominated the music industry for so many years. If you're the type that love analog warmth and digital precision, then this plugin is for you. With that being said, let's dive in. The first thing you need to do is to click the link below, sign up as a new user, and yes, it is free. Submit the form, but have in mind that you need to use a fresh email to get this offer because existing Wave accounts will not see this offer. HComp's mix knob is a game changer. I'm going to show you how 50% parallel compression saves your drums from sounding flat without messy routing. Let's check it out. Alright, comment HComp below if you want my free parallel compression presets. Alright, here is a mastering secret you can try out with this plugin. If you want an instant harmonic glue on your track, crank the analog knob. As you can see, it has 4 modes. Let me leave it at 4. Then fine tune the settings of this compression, preferably let it just tame it a little bit, and it will be better if you use a headphone because the impact on this track will be subtle. Then listen carefully, you will see how it will glue the whole thing and transform this boring track and make it a little more glued together and professional. So let's have an A/B comparison. Alright, that brings us to the end of today's video. If you found this video helpful, make sure to smash that subscribe button because next week I will be exposing 3 more Waves freebies if that is what you want to check out next. And let me know if you want HComp presets or a full mastering tutorial, the one that I use that has been working for me, and leave your comment in the comment section now. As always guys, stay creative, stay focused, and see you guys in the next one. Bye for now.